Good morning. Good morning, traders. This is Bagadonna, Stock Market Caddy. Today is Thursday, October 13th, lucky 13, about 8:15. And the markets are waiting on the CPI number. The CPI, the Consumer Price Inflation number. If it's too hot, the Fed might get more aggressive and the market might crash. If it's too cold, the market might rally, thinking that the Fed is going to get weak. That is the narrative of the day. We don't trade narratives. No, we do not. We track money flow. Now, we pay attention to the narratives, these little turning points sometimes, because the market can become exceptionally volatile around these events. And when it does, that provides opportunity for us to put on a specific program or strategy to exploit the volatility and collect these things called dollars. Now, Swing Machine is an algo in and of itself. SMC, the Swing Machine Plus. And let me show you something, because I believe that I am the most ignorant person in the market. What is known by everyone else is not known by me. But everyone else in the market knows everything. I am the most ignorant. So what I want to pay attention to is what they're doing with their money. The VIX at 4:45 a.m. Swing Machine said they're starting to sell the VIX, which means they're not very fearful. Which means that this 5-minute move in the S&P futures that started at 3:30 might continue. And that trade that started at 3:30 is up nearly $1,400. The NQ 5-minute, it also went long. Well, what a coinkydink. Let's see, at what time? 4:35. 5 minutes later. It's up 1,600. It went long at 10,849. The YM, the Dow, it also went long. At what time? 3:30, 1,100. The Russell, it also went long at 3:30, up over $700. How in the world does the S&P index, the NASDAQ index, the Dow index, and the Russell index, on a morning that is supposed to be very, very negative and a hot CPI print, that's all we've heard for days and days and days, all go long and all go at precisely the same time, within 5 minutes of each other? The markets are they rigged? Well, yeah, I suppose they are. We just play the rigging. If they're rigged, that should make it easy. Just get on the side that's rigged. Well, Bagger, how do you do that? We track their money flow, their footprints, right here, using Swing Machine. Now, I don't have enough time here to explain everything that Swing Machine is showing. We do that during what we call the Q School. But I'm going to give you a chance to watch. Watch the number come in at 8:30. But the market is speaking volumes. Now, it will be volatile. And I don't know what the market is going to do. I don't. Every day, I come in and like a shortstop, I need to be able to move left. I need to be able to move right. I don't want to have a built-in bias of any kind. I don't want to believe and bias myself on any kind of narrative. I just want to trade the direction of money flow. What else matters? So enjoy. If you like this approach to the markets, you're more than welcome to give me a call, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. any day, including weekends. And happy to speak to you about our Q School It's a 3-week plus program, more valuable than any one of the 70, not 70 proprietary indicators, show me studies, paint bars, radars, which is what this is, and strategies, trading robots. These tools can be on your desktop in a matter of just a few weeks, maybe days. Call anytime. My number is 813-758-8263. Enjoy. Now, I hope you've stayed with us. As you can see, the time on the video here is 8:23. The CPI number is due out in about 7 minutes. And at this time, as we were remarking, the market had run up from early morning into the open. Now, what we want you to keep an eye on, we're going to compress hours of trading between 8:30, between now and 2 p.m. And we're going to compress this to maximize your time down to just about 2.5 minutes. Keep an eye on the 5-minute VIX. The VIX was short here. This was a bit of a tell. This was earlier. When the CPI number comes in, the market rolls down quickly. But watch what happens. If you go to your charts, you'll see what in essence is a hammer candle, a reversal day. Watch how Swing Machine handles it. Okay, so I'm going to stay with you. Now we've sped up this video. Now the number is out and the market is dumping and Swing Machine is on it. And you can see the green if anybody had taken these trades. And we most certainly had members that did. And it sells down. The VIX is long, but it's rather muted. And then suddenly we start to see some ripping against the shorts. And see the green starting to show up. This is telling us that the selling is subsiding. Now, it wasn't happening this fast, folks. We have compressed from 8:30 to 2 o'clock down to just 2 minutes. But watch Swing Machine. So it was totally green this morning. Good money to have been made. If you were an aggressive trader and wanted to trade around the CPI, Swing Machine would have guided you short. It also would have guided you long. At this point, the market is running. Look at these numbers on a mini contract. We are running long. A little bit of selling still. And again, this is compressed. But the 5-minute NQ is up long, almost 4,000 at this point. The Dow has totally reversed, up nearly 3,700. The Russell, almost 1,500. And now finally the ES, confirming long at about 1 p.m. It was plenty of time to act. Look at the NQ, up nearly 6,000. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. You're welcome to give us a call, 813-758-8263. Good luck, everybody.